Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to install or how to download and install VMware. After the updating in the website, you need to follow some steps to can download the VMware. So let's get started. The first things you need to click in the link that you will find in the first comment. After clicking the link, you will find the page like this. After, you need to click in download version or workstation. After, you will find this page. It's another page where you need to make the inscription. So here is very easy, just click in login in, and here you will find two options, login in and register. Click in register. Then you need to enter just your email and the code in CAPTCHA. Click next. Then after, you will find another option to enter your password. So to write account is very easy, you know. And after you finish the registration, just click in login in. Here you need to enter your email. Then click next. Click next. Enter your password and enter to access. Here you will enter directly to a page like this. And after, you click in my dashboard, and in the search option, search for VMware Workstation Pro. This one. Click on it and you will see this option. After, you need to click in here. You will see the title and alert number. So all these things, if you want, you can learn. Click here and learn the information. And what you need to do next is just click here, and you will see a lot of information about the VMware Workstation. So if you have time, or if you want, you can read all this information to get more information about this machine. And you can come scroll down, add this for reference. And here there is download and documentation, and you need to click on the first link. After, it will take you to the same first page. Here you need to choose what is your device, is Windows or Linux, or for me, I will choose the VMware Workstation Pro, use for Windows 17.0. Click here, and all are in the language English language. Choose the first one. It will take you to another page where you need to, here you will see the information about the VMware and the date. The last update is the 10th of March 2024, and here there is SHA2, and in the right you will see an HTTPS download. You click on it as you would say VMware is starting to download it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that this video can help you to solve the problem of VMware Workstation downloading. In the next video we will see how we can use this machine to install Kali Linux using a very easy step. So thank you so much and bye.